Cambodia is located in Southeast Asia and borders Thailand, Laos, and Vietnam. The capital city of Cambodia is Phnom Penh, which is also the largest city in the country. Angkor Wat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Cambodia, is the largest religious monument in the world. The official language of Cambodia is Khmer, but many people also speak English and French. Cambodia has a population of over 16 million people, with the majority being Khmer. Cambodian cuisine is known for its use of herbs and spices, such as lemongrass, ginger, and turmeric. The Cambodian flag features a depiction of Angkor Wat in the center. Cambodia gained independence from France in 1953. The currency of Cambodia is the Cambodian riel, but US dollars are widely accepted. The Cambodian New Year, known as Chol Nam Thimi, is celebrated in April and is one of the biggest holidays in the country. The traditional dance of Cambodia is called Apsara dance, which is known for its graceful movements and intricate hand gestures. Cambodia is known for its silk weaving, with many traditional techniques still practiced today. The Tonle Sap Lake in Cambodia is the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia. Cambodia has a tropical climate with a rainy season from May to October and a dry season from November to April. The official religion of Cambodia is Theravada Buddhism, which is practiced by the majority of the population. The Cambodian flag is the only flag in the world with an image of a building. The Mekong River, one of the longest rivers in the world, flows through Cambodia. The Khmer Rouge regime, led by Pol Pot, ruled Cambodia from 1975 to 1979 and resulted in the death of an estimated 1.7 million people. The Royal Palace in Phnom Penh is a popular tourist attraction and is home to the King of Cambodia. Cambodia is known for its traditional handicrafts, such as pottery, wood carving, and silverware. The Cambodian national dish is fish amok, a coconut milk curry served in a banana leaf. The traditional Cambodian garment is called a sampot, which is a wraparound skirt worn by both men and women. The killing fields, where many victims of the Khmer Rouge regime were buried, are a somber reminder of Cambodia's tragic past. The Cambodian economy is mainly based on agriculture, with rice being the staple crop. The Cambodian flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes, blue, red, and blue, with a depiction of Angkor Wat in the center. The Cambodian people greet each other by pressing their hands together in a prayer-like gesture called a sampia. Cambodia is home to several endangered species, including the Indochinese tiger and the Javan rhinoceros. The traditional music of Cambodia includes instruments such as the sampho, a xylophone-like instrument, and the tiaro, a 2-stringed fiddle. The Cambodian government is a constitutional monarchy, with the king as the head of state and the prime minister as the head of government. The national sport of Cambodia is kickboxing, known as Pradal Seri, which is similar to Muay Thai. Cambodia is famous for its ancient temples, such as Angkor Wat, Bayon, and Ta Prohm. The Cambodian flag was adopted in 1948 and has remained unchanged since then. The Khmer Empire, which ruled Cambodia from the 9th to the 15th century, was one of the most powerful empires in Southeast Asia. Cambodia is one of the poorest countries in Asia, with a high poverty rate and limited access to healthcare and education. The traditional Cambodian wedding ceremony is a colorful affair, with elaborate rituals and ceremonies that can last for several days. The Cambodian government has implemented conservation efforts to protect its natural resources, such as establishing national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The Cambodian flag is the only flag in the world that features a building as its central emblem. Cambodia has a rich cultural heritage, with traditional art forms such as dance, music, and sculpture. The Angkor Archaeological Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to many ancient temples and ruins. The Cambodian flag was designed in 1948 and features the iconic image of Angkor Wat. Cambodia is a popular destination for ecotourism, with many opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and wildlife spotting. The Cambodian people have a strong sense of community and often come together to help one another in times of need. Cambodia has a unique way of counting, with numbers structured in groups of 5 instead of 10. The Cambodian flag is the only national flag to feature a building on it. The Cambodian government has made efforts to promote tourism in the country, with initiatives to attract more visitors to its cultural and natural attractions. Cambodia has a rich history, with evidence of human habitation dating back to the Paleolithic era. The Cambodian countryside is dotted with traditional wooden stilt houses, where families live and work together. The Cambodian flag is unique in that it features a depiction of a building, Angkor Wat, rather than a more traditional symbol. The Cambodian people are known for their hospitality and friendliness towards visitors. Cambodia has a diverse ecosystem, with tropical rainforests, mangrove swamps, and coastal wetlands. The Cambodian flag is the only flag in the world with a depiction of a building. Cambodia is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including Angkor Wat, Preah Vihear, and Sambor Prey Kup. The Cambodian government has implemented policies to combat deforestation and protect its natural resources. The Cambodian flag was adopted in 1948 and features the iconic image of Angkor Wat. Cambodia is known for its traditional arts and crafts, such as pottery, silk weaving, and stone carving. The Cambodian people have a strong connection to their cultural heritage, with many traditional ceremonies and rituals still practiced today. The Cambodian flag is the only national flag to feature a building on it. Cambodia has a rich culinary tradition, with influences from Chinese, Thai, and French cuisines. The Cambodian government has made efforts to promote sustainable tourism in the country, with initiatives to protect its natural resources and cultural heritage. The Cambodian flag was designed in 1948 and features the iconic image of Angkor Wat. The Cambodian flag is the only flag in the world with a depiction of a building.